Hello class, my name is Roman Romero and the Mediterranean cuisine that I chose was French cuisine. The first recipe that I decided to make was a French onion soup. Traditional French onion soup doesn't have a direct origin, but it is speculated that it goes as far back as ancient Rome 8,000 years ago. It began to gain popularity in the 18th century. King Louis XV is said to have created this dish after a hunting trip. Only the ingredients in French onion soup are what he had in the pantry, and that's what was created. Another theory is that a palace chef created a peasant's dish for himself, and royalty accidentally ate it and loved it. Inside a French onion soup, we have a couple of different ingredients, including flour, salt, beef stock, olive oil, garlic cloves, Swiss cheese, and a French bread to have on the side. The main ingredients are going to be, of course, onions and French butter. Due to a lack of traditional tools, I created this soup in a pan, first sauteing the onions in the butter with a little bit of garlic, sprinkling the flour on top, and then adding it to my boiling beef stock. Serving up the soup, I again did not have the proper bowl to put it into the oven to broil the cheese on top, but a nice loose cheese sprinkled on top of the soup worked just fine. Finished this meal off with a nice glass of wine, and I was ready to have my traditional French onion soup. The second dish that I decided to make was ratatouille. Ratatouille is a fresh garden casserole, for lack of a better term, roughly translating to a motley stew, possibly originating in the 1700s. It's a very simple dish from what was available in your garden. While there are many different ways to make the dish, there is no wrong or right way. It just depends on your presentation. We are not making the Pixar movie Ratatouille because I could not recreate such a wonderful presentation, nor did I have a rat on my head helping me to create this meal. Ratatouille consists of several different ingredients from the garden, including garlic cloves, onions, olive oil, sliced eggplants, sliced zucchini, green peppers, red peppers, Roma tomatoes, salt, pepper, and fresh basil for garnish. I decided to cook the tomatoes, onions, and all the peppers with most of the dry ingredients in a pan, sauteing it first. After that, I took all of that, laid it into a casserole pan, and staggered the rest of the ingredients in nice rows. Pulling it out of the oven, the extra ingredients that I had left over of zucchini and eggplant, I coated the top of it with, and got a nice crispy flavor of the zucchini and the eggplant. I then decided to garnish it with fresh basil.